This problem looks a little bit more complicated because I'm looking at a number with 2 zeros. So if I start at my ones place, if I have 0 cookies, can I take 1 cookie away? No, I can't. I can't take anything away from 0. So you move to your tens place. I can't borrow anything from 0. There's nothing there to borrow from. So that means I have to move all the way to my hundreds place. And that's where I'm going to borrow from. So I'm going to cross off my hundreds and I'm going to make it 300s. And now I'm going to move in order from the hundreds to the tens to the ones, so I can subtract my ones first. I can't just skip over my tens place. I have to go in order to get back to my ones. So since I borrowed from the 4 and made it a 3, my 0 tens, I'm going to cross off the 0 and just place a 1 in front of it. That becomes 10 tens now. But that still doesn't help me subtract my ones. So I still am going to have to borrow from my tens, which means now I'm going to cross off my 10, make it a 9. So now there's 9 tens. And I'm going to make my 0 in the ones place 10 ones. And now I can subtract 10 minus 1. You just have to make sure you go in order. If your ones and your tens have zeros and you can't subtract, you have to move all the way to the hundreds place and work your way back over by maybe borrowing again to be able to subtract your ones. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 3 minus 3 is 0. You can place the 0 here to hold the place value position, but it's not necessary. I'm not going to take points off either way, whether you have the 0 or whether you choose to leave it out, because you know that 3 minus 3 is 0. There's nothing there. You guys did a great job on this subtraction review. The video is going to stop now and you will be working on 3 problems independently by yourselves. I will be coming around and working with you one-on-one and checking your answers. Feel free to rewind the video and watch any part that you need to again. Good luck, guys!